Effortlessly share your spreadsheets directly from your computer to WhatsApp with this quick and easy guide. First, open your web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and navigate to Web WhatsApp. Make sure you have your phone nearby, as you'll need to scan the QR code displayed on the screen to link your WhatsApp account to your computer. On your phone, open WhatsApp, tap on Settings, then select Linked Devices, then tap Link a Device and scan the QR code on your computer. Your WhatsApp chat history will then appear on your PC. Now, select the chat with the person or group you want to send your Excel file to. Look for the paperclip icon, which is used for attachments. Click on this paperclip icon to reveal your sharing options. From the menu that appears, choose Document. This will open your computer's File Explorer. You can then browse through your folders to locate the specific Excel file you wish to send. Once you've found your Excel document, click on it to select it, and then click the Open button. Your Excel file will now be attached to your WhatsApp message, ready for sending. Before you hit send, you can optionally add a message to accompany your spreadsheet. When you're ready, simply click the green send button. That's it. Your Excel document is now successfully shared via WhatsApp directly from your PC.